Good morning, Facebook friends. Hey, Jeff Larson here, Sales Manager, Billing Toyota in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Coming to you here with another informative Friday video. First of all, I want to take a look back here in the past couple weeks. Here we had George Hotz from Comma.ai stop in here for the self-driving event here a couple weeks ago. Absolutely incredible. Of course, I want to thank everyone that stopped out for that. And then, of course, this past Friday, the opening of our brand new service drive. Absolutely incredible. Of course, we want to invite you to come check it out. Today, though, we want to talk about winter maintenance of your vehicle. So my plans are to sneak into the service drive here. I'm going to catch up with a couple of the service advisors and ask them some questions on how to take care of your vehicle this time of the year. So let's go see if we can catch up with them. All right, so here I caught up with Rod Patterson. So Rod, tell me, how long have you been in the service department?
Well, I've been here for about 3.5 years, but I have been a service advisor for over 10.
Outstanding, outstanding. Well, again, I wanted to catch up with you today because, again, with it being cold, snowy, not everybody knows how to take care of that vehicle this time of the year. I mean, I guess, what is your input on that?
Well, you know, the thing you want to keep in mind is, as tough as the weather is on our bodies, it's just as tough as your vehicle. So we can take care of ourselves. Our vehicles need us to take care of them. So just a lot of preventive things. If there's something that you don't think is right with your vehicle, it probably isn't. So bring it to us, we'll take care of it. Want to make sure that you keep an eye on the dash. If you see the tire light come on, make sure you get the tires inflated properly so they have proper traction in the snow and you don't have premature wear on your tires. Any type of warning lights at all in the vehicle, give us a call. We'll help you get it figured out.
Well, that's outstanding. I think you covered it all there. So let's go see if we can catch up with someone else. All right, so now here I've actually got an opportunity to grab Gary Winter, who is the service manager here of Billing Toyota. Gary, again, this is a beautiful facility that you have here and all. What do you want to say to our customers?
Well, first and foremost, thank you guys. Thanks everybody who's part of the Billing Automotive family for so many years. We've built this facility specifically for you guys. It is 6 bays wide. Active delivery inside. We're not going to make you go outside in the snow to get your car. We're going to deliver it inside for you. We want you guys to stay inside and be comfortable. Winter months are upon us right now, so we want to make sure that, number one, you can see out your windshield. We got to check those wiper blades. We got to check your tires to make sure your tires have the proper wear and tread on them to get you around in these snowy months. And a big thing, we got to check that battery. We need to make sure that battery is going to be good and sufficient for you, especially with it being, negative 15 here in the next 3 days. Doesn't sound real warm to me, so let's make sure we get all those things checked for you. Come down to our new facility, visit us. I got more than enough people here, and I got more than enough room to take care of you. So I look forward to seeing you all here shortly.
So again, we want to thank each and every one of you for joining us here today. So like the guys said, if you have the service engine soon light, the check engine light, that pesky tire light come on, you need wipers, you need batteries. Again, we're here to take care of all your automotive needs. Again, we want to thank you for the service and the opportunity you've given us to take care of you here in 2017. We wish you all the best here in 2018. And of course, the one light, if it comes on in your car, the replace your car soon light, again, you can feel free to contact me directly, and I'd be more than happy to take care of you. Again, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you soon.